Namaskar and good evening. I, Anandi Lala, welcome you all to Ayush Shakti's powerful Facebook live sessions. So, given these days scenarios, the current situations and current issues haven't really been working in our favor. So, after our live session on suicidal thoughts, a lot of people approached us and suggested us to speak on fear and depression. So, first of all, thank you so much for writing to us and suggesting us and giving us topics to speak on. So, today you will discover the proven, effective, ancient solutions for fear and depression. Without any further ado, I would like to introduce you to Dr. Smita Naram, founder of Ayush Shakti Ayurved, a chain of Ayurveda medicines and Ayurveda therapy clinics across the globe. She is also an author and a trainer. She has trained and treated more than 1.5 million people across the globe with her detoxification treatments in the past 32 years. It is always such an honor to be here on a live session with you, Dr. Smita. Namaskar and welcome. Please share your thoughts with our viewers.
Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. My dear friends, first of all, 1.5 million people have been actually seen by all the Ayush Shakti doctors from all over the world under my guidance. So that's the reason. And Ayush Shakti actually was started together with my late husband, Dr. Pankaj Naram, in 1987. We started this together. And we actually practice Siddha Veda lineage of Ayurveda, which is 2,500 years old lineage of Ayurveda. So I remember the time when once I traveled to one of Ayush Shakti's clinic partners clinic, which is Dr. Steve Drexler's clinic in Syracuse, upstate New York. And there I met Bill Salvatore, who I remember was taking antidepressant and the prescription medications for more than 10 years. When he came to see me, he just wanted to feel alive, happy, and have a sound sleep, because in spite of taking those medications, which probably helped him to not to feel very sad and down like in the earth, but it didn't create happiness. It didn't create a real joy and peace of mind, or it didn't get rid of the fear that he used to feel of flying. And also the sleep was kind of, he slept, but wasn't feeling rested in the morning. It wasn't very deep level of sleep. So he just came with the intention to improve his quality of life. And we started working with the herbal formulas, the diet, lifestyle, and few treatments that he did at Dr. Steve's place, actually. After some months, he started feeling really joy in his heart. And he started feeling like doing things that he always thought, oh, I don't want to do. I'm okay. There was no liveliness in the life. He started exploring life. He started traveling. His fear of flying went away. And at night, he had a fantastic sound sleep. He also made changes in the diet according to our suggestion. He stopped taking wheat and dairy, etc. And that's how he saw the remarkable change. And it happened that he had to visit his doctor, psychiatrist, every 6 months. And they do a clinical evaluation of person's mental, emotional health. So he did the evaluation. He said, oh, you are far, far better in your health. And he started cutting down his prescription medication for the first time in his life. And that's how Bill completely went off under the guidance of his doctor, prescription medication, actually, just because he had tremendous, remarkable improvement in his happiness, joy. He felt more confident, a sound sleep. He was able to talk to people, socialize, not feeling sad, like crying and all. So that all improved. Let's hear from his own mouth, from his video, what happened in his life.
Ayurvedic Ayush Shakti for a couple of years now. We've noticed some good improvements. And, it's helped me with my cholesterol and depression. I'm so long. I'm very much happy with it so far. My cholesterol is going down. I feel better. We're running better diets. Just enjoy what we got.
So as you can hear, that he stopped his prescription medication. So what is Ayush Shakti's approach? How do we do this actually? Basically, Ayurveda says that there are a couple of things very important to have a very healthy emotions and a very healthy mind. One, your mind has to be of a sattvic quality. Sattva is that kind of a guna which gives you a very peaceful, blissful mind, and that actually helps a lot. When you have a sattva quality of mind, you can definitely actually feel not shaken up in any situation. You are naturally happy, positive. Your attitude is positive towards life. You have total faith in God. So any adversity, you will think, okay, everything happens in my life for good. And you will say, every adversity carries a seed of bigger success or bigger joy in life. And that's how you will start thinking, how I will get over this challenge. What can I do to get over this challenge? So that's what happened. And that's why, and there are specific food which increase sattva quality, and there are specific foods which actually reduces and creates what we call as tamas quality. Tamas quality of mind is that quality of mind where you always feel fearful, negative, worried. You are afraid, anxious about something that has never happened, but you just think, oh, if this happens, then what? If this happens, then what? So that's like a tamasic quality of mind. And we want to stay away from that. So we'll talk about which food actually can help us in building the sattva quality of mind. The second thing is that Ayurveda says that your digestive health, your Agni, your gut health, what modern science calls it, is very, very important, because if you don't absorb what you are eating, and instead of that, you create toxic mucus of ama. So when you don't digest food very, very well, or if you eat something that is very heavy to digest, you produce a toxic mucus of ama. And this ama first gets accumulated inside your intestine. So it blocks the absorption of nutrient. And that's how overall every tissues are undernourished. And especially if you have a weak nervous system and brain, then your brain tissue and nervous system gets undernourished. And because of that, you become weak. And that creates the nervousness and anxiety and very sensitive nature, a lot of those things. At the same time, modern science has now actually found that when your digestive system is not functioning very well, you don't produce the happiness hormone serotonin very well. So that's produced actually in the gut area. And if your digestion is not very well, this hormone is not produced very well. Ayurveda calls it as a kind of a pitta agni, which processes your happiness, which processes your thinking process, and which processes and balances the emotions. So this is not produced. And then we have a mechanism. As soon as we get stressed out or fearful, immediately body, in order to fight it out, instantly, naturally produces this happiness hormone. But if that is not enough, you cannot fight it. So in the past, one situation that you could handle, now you can't handle anymore, because you don't have enough reserve of this hormone, which can create the happiness in your life. There's also third aspect, which is blockage, the toxic blockage. So sometimes you have enough serotonin or enough of different hormones. There are multiple types of hormones, which is helping us to always create a shield to protect us from external energetic attacks, negative energy attacks fear, stress attacks, all of this situation which comes from either relationship, from your work situation, or out from external environment. And we have a number of mechanisms that's kind of a shield to protect us. But if you have toxins in your body, it blocks your system, and even if you can produce it, it is not reaching into the site of nervous system, and finally you have no benefit from those mechanism, and you feel nervous, anxious, and down. And lastly, overall, after detoxifying, which is very important, we nourish and replenish the brain and nervous system using specific herbs which are actually proven to improve the quality of our brain and nervous tissue, so that we are robust and strong, and we can find solutions and stand in any situation without getting shaken up. So that's what is Ayush Shakti's approach. And because of that, it gives a long lasting impact in relieving depression, anxiety, etc., and creating a long lasting, stable happiness, calmness, and peace of mind. And now we have actually another doctor joining us, but I guess I want to invite Anandi to introduce her. Anandi, are you there? Okay, so it looks like some technical issue, and Anandi is not there. So I want to introduce Dr. Deepa, who is on this call with us. As you know, Ayush Shakti has so many clinics across the world, and more than 150 doctors are connected with us, practicing Ayush Shakti way of pulse reading, detox program, and herbs, diet, lifestyle, etc. So Dr. Deepa is actually from India, and she's taking care of clients in Mumbai. She is very experienced, and she also has a great success in depression, anxiety, stress type of situations. So I invite Dr. Deepa to share her experience and diet and everything that we do it in our clinic. Your mic is on mute, Dr. Deepa.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wisdom. Namaskar, I'm Ayush Shakti doctor, Dr. Deepa Sakurkar, and today I'm going to talk about fear and depression. So the mind, spirit, and the body is all together is considered as a triad of life. Ayurveda defines health as a balanced state of dosh, agni, mala, and sharir as an health definition. When all these are in balance, it is called as an health in a stable state. Whenever the body and the mind imbalance is there, it creates unhappiness, and whenever the imbalance is there, it creates unhappiness. So today, as ma'am told, today I'm going to share with you some of the very powerful diet remedies that we recommend in our patients, so that the blockages are relieved. So in dietary changes that we recommended for our patients are, that is no wheat, that is recommended. This is no wheat that is recommended for our patients. Second is no dairy products, that is milk and milk products are not allowed in the patients of depression and fear. Then the cold drinks, preservatives, and refined flour, sugar, then cheese. These are some of the food that we restrict in these patients. Now, with this restriction, we have seen that lot of good improvement is there in the patients. Now, let me share with you one of the case that of Mr. Manoj, that he visited me at Mumbai Center, and he was brought to me brought to me at the clinic by his wife. He was very reluctant to come to clinic even. And when he had come to me, his name is Mr. Manoj, and when he had came to me, 54 years old, male patient with diabetes and hypertension, and he was on a lot of medications and was working in a medicine dispensing unit. Now his major concern, what he told me, was fear, tremendous fear and negative thoughts about I'm having diabetes, hypertension, what will be the complications with me. A lot of negative thoughts he would be having. And fear of going to office, fear of meeting people. Whole day he would be sitting in one room, isolating in one room, and he do not want to meet any of his family members or do not want to be social with any of the friends. So that kind of fear was also there. Then working as an in dispensing unit, he was having the fear of giving some wrong medication to the people, and then the people would blame me and catch me. Then and hence he do not want to go to even the office also. That kind of fear was there. And then feeling low, whole day would be feeling low, and lethargic feeling was there. And he would be feeling low about in the office, like any new joining employee would be more smarter and efficient, and he would be more eligible than him, and then the boss would fire him. That is why a lot of thoughts was going on his mind always, and hence he was on antidepressant medication since 33 years. Yes, friends, since 33 years, this person was there on antidepressant medications. Then when I check his pulse, it shows a lot of and that lot of is lot of toxins in the pulse. Lot of heat was there, low digestion, bath was there, low digestion in the. He was obese also. He was weighing 130 kgs of weight also. Whenever fear would be there, he would be in the room and he used to eat a lot. I explained him about the Ayush Shakti's proven and very effective treatment plan. I explained him about diet, detox, herbs, and some of the home remedies I explained. But he was even in the fear of having Shirodhara also. He would be thinking that something choking would happen during Shirodhara, and he totally said no for Shirodhara and the treatment. But then I avoided Shirodhara also. But then he was ready to take the herbs and the home remedies, and the diet was started for him. And then he occasionally cheated in the diet, but his wife really managed him to for the diet. Then after 6 months of the treatment, nearly 70% of improvement was there in his fear and negative thinking. And his metabolism improved drastically. He also started feeling lightness in body. He was very enthusiastic to go to work now, and reduced about 10 kgs of weight, and even controlled diabetes and hypertension also. So friends, this is all possible with Ayush Shakti's proven and effective treatment. And then in Manoj's case, using the positive vibrations, positive thinking, supporting him, that resulted in calmness of mind, and which helped in generating the hope and to live life. And whenever continuous negative thinking is there, that leads to fear. So when we inculcate the positive thinking in him, it was all opposite, and then he was feeling fantastic. So it is always unto us to see the positive and negative situations with this kind of patient. That is what I learned from this kind of patient, and that is what we suggest to this kind of patients when they approach us. So friends,
Amazing.
This is all.
Amazing, Dr. Deepa. First of all, I'm so sorry for the technical error we had to go through, but I'm back with even more powerful energy, and we will take this live ahead. So, Dr. Deepa, before moving ahead to lifestyle, I would want to educate my viewers that if you want to share your experiences, not only about fear or depression, but if you're going through any other illness, you can write to us in our comment section below, and our expert doctors will definitely share their insightful experiences. So moving on, Dr. Deepa, would you like to share the powerful lifestyle with our viewers?
Yes, surely. The lifestyle that I recommended in this kind of patients were, first is yoga and meditation, to reduce the stress, tension, and worries. That is very much important in this kind of patients. Whoever and to divert their mind. Little exercise, walk is necessary. Positive thinking, reading positive books is very much necessary, and then avoiding stress is very much required. Then a long waking up at night, that should be avoided. Suppressing of, according to Ayurveda, the most important thing is suppressing of the natural urges also leads to mental disability. So this should also be very much changed in the lifestyle of this kind of patients.
Amazing. So, as Dr. Deepa and Dr. Smita mentioned, that you need to follow the diet and lifestyle in order to get deeper healing. But if you're going through chronic or severe cases of depression or fear or anxiety, you must visit Ayush Shakti doctor to experience deeper healing in your illness. So, Dr. Deepa, would you like to share effective herbs that you must have shared with your patients who overcame the fear and depression illness?
Yes, the herbs that that we recommend in these patients are this is Suruday. This is Suruday. These are some of the herbs that we recommend in chronic patients. And Suruday, according to the chronicity, the dosage are decided by the doctors. And the Suruday, this balances emotions, the stress and anxiety. The second, that is Sumeda, that the drug is prescribed. It calms the nervous system and anxiety in the patients. And Jeevan Rakshak. Jeevan Rakshak is also prescribed in this patient. That is, it reduces fear and phobia. Any panicky attack is this kind of herbs are prescribed in the patients.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Deepa. Now we are moving ahead to the most awaited part of the live session, Dr. Smita, where everybody is excited to know today what home remedy you will give them to overcome their illness. Dr. Smita, you won't believe we get so many inquiries regarding the home remedies you share on the live channels and also on the YouTube channel. So everybody is a big fan of your home remedies. So everybody waits for this part of live session. So would you like to share your effective and powerful home remedy with our viewers today?
Absolutely. So first of all, there is white pumpkin. Okay, two home remedies rather I would like to share. One is a mixture of herbs that you can find anywhere actually, and you can just mix it. A teaspoonful of Brahmi powder, and half a teaspoonful of ashwagandha powder. Brahmi and ashwagandha combined together, mix it and take it with half a glass of water. You can do it also twice a day or 3 times a day. So that's one. And the second home remedy that you can do actually would be white pumpkin juice. So we have a white pumpkin juice, which is, you find this white pumpkin anywhere actually. In India, we call it petha. We make a mithai out of it. Petha, it is a kaddu, safed kaddu, or white colored pumpkin. English marrow also is little bit similar. So juice of that is quite brain nourishing. So you can use that as well. And along with that, there are these marma points, which I wanted to explain to you. So here is, you can see the Brahmi and ashwagandha. And then you can, Asmita is gone. Okay. So, right. So Brahmi and ashwagandha, it looks like there are a lot of technical problems today. Now ashwagandha is gone.
Exactly. I think our topic, the topic of fear of depression, everybody's taking it very seriously.
It looks like.
So, Dr. Smita, would you like to visually explain the
Yeah, that's what I'm doing actually. So you can do this simple marma point, which is where you have this on your temple region. Just apply ghee on your temple region like that in a circular movement. And you can do it also while you go to bed, or you can also do it 2-3 times during the day. It calms down vata in your system. And you can also drink a teaspoonful of ghee in the morning, which also helps calming vata. So these two. Then you can put ghee here on the crown region, and you can put ghee in the belly button, or massage your feet with the ghee. So that will calm down your vata, because vata is something that creates always these situations in the nervous system. The fear especially is connected with vata. So that simple thing, if you do it regularly, at least you will feel little difference. And sometimes if there is a chaotic situation and you want to instantly feel centered, you can immediately do this here ghee, belly button ghee, and you will feel centered and you can think more clearly and create, instead of reacting, do a right decision and do some proactive action so that situation improves.
Amazing. So I hope everybody, so we also, if you have missed out on a home remedy or marma or lifestyle and diet explained by Dr. Deepa and Dr. Smita, don't worry, we upload these live sessions on YouTube also. You can go subscribe to our channel and you can find out this video and this particular home remedy, and do let us know if these home remedies and diets have worked out for you. We will be more than happy with your feedback. So first of all, Dr. Deepa and Dr. Smita, there are so many people on our live, and I hope they all are greeting you all with love and namaskar. So on behalf of them, I would like to greet you both. And
namaskar also.
I want to. So do you have any specific health tips for lovely viewers today?
Dr. Deepa, you want to go first?
According to me, nowadays it is almost everyone appears to be stressed and confused in the situations. To avoid the stress, some kind of mental diversion is required. So first thing is love yourself, never doubt yourself, seek help if required, and we are always there to help you. Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to say to my viewers that every day have gratitude. Say thank you. Yes. Thank you. Say thank you for everything you have in your life. This way, you will not have complaints, because we have so many good things in life. Just say thank you, thank you, thank you. And love yourself, right? Like Dr. Deepa said, love yourself. So every day, do one thing that is making you feel happy. Do that one thing that can, like meeting a friend, talking to a friend, or getting ready in a nice way, or reading certain type of books, watching a show, anything that makes you feel happy. Do it for a few minutes. It will make you feel love for you. You spend time for yourself. That's what it will mean. And Ayush Shakti's solutions are proven. Last time when we did a suicide session, we had Dr. Giovanni with us, and he published a research paper using Ayush Shakti's whole therapy, which we discussed today, for anxiety, depression, which actually proved on international standard that within 6 months, 90% people who were dependent on prescription medications, they naturally didn't need the prescription medication. They felt happy, blissful. They were able to concentrate. They were able to sleep very well. The crying spell reduced. They were wanting to go out and do something. They instead of staying at home, the sadness and the complacent feeling went away. Nervousness went away. Fear went down substantially. So this is really proven. Take help. There's no harm in taking help from natural healing, because it doesn't create habit. Once you are good, you have a strong nervous system, you can stop the herbs. You don't have to take it forever in your life. And it is safe. It's natural. So that's what I want to say to every young man, every people who are doing startups and under a lot of stress, business people or family people, invest in your health so that you have more capacity to do things in your life. That's what I want to say. That's it.
Absolutely. So these vibrant health tips, people who are also from the age of 20 to 25, as we have seen, Dr. Smita, they usually go through this fear and depression, low confidence. So I think these tips that were shared by Dr. Smita and Dr. Deepa, I think they will definitely bring vibrant results to in your health. So do let us know if it has helped you. So as I earlier mentioned, we have a lot of people on our live. So we have Miss Carol Winters Ray saying that thank you so much for home remedies and Murma. Ghee is wonderful. She says that.
Great, wonderful, wonderful. Lot of love to you.
Thank you so much. And Dr. Smita and Dr. Deepa, we have a lot of questions coming in. So first question I'd like to ask Dr. Deepa.
Yeah.
Can antidepressants trigger insomnia?
Can antidepressant
trigger insomnia? Yes, in many cases, like we have seen this case of Mr. Manoj, which I shared today. He was on lot of antidepressant medication, and he used to be in one room whole day. He used to feel tiredness, lethargic feeling. Yes, it can trigger. It can trigger this lethargic feeling, but at the same time, it can trigger insomnia also, because lot of depression is also there. Yes.
Absolutely. So before we move on to the second question, Dr. Smita, I just wanted to bring to your notice, we have Mr. Chandran, and you know, he attends all our live sessions and he gives greetings from Malaysia. So
he
would you
is
like
the
to say
ambassador, and you should share Mr. Chandran. Greetings to you. I hope one day you will come to Mumbai, or I will come to Malaysia. I would love to see you. But share everything we do it here with the groups that you know, so that people can be benefited. That's a service to society and your friends and family members.
Absolutely. Our personal greetings and thanks to Mr. Chandran. You are always on a live session and you always give us greetings. We are very grateful for you coming and visiting us every day whenever we have a live session. So, Dr. Smita, next question is, what I should do if I am facing anxiety due to the coronavirus outbreak? Now, this is a very recent, it's happening with almost everybody.
First of all, being anxious is not going to give you a fighters to fight the corona. So taking precautions not to have it. So anxiety can be from two things. Number one, corona situation, or second, financial situation. Okay. I'll talk about both actually. So if you are worried that will I get corona, I'm exposed or something or whatever, that anxiety, it can go only by taking the right action. So just build your immune system. First of all, make sure you are protected you always wear the mask or use the sanitizer, or when you remove the mask, don't touch it in the front, but just remove it like from the back. So it's if there is any exposure here somewhere of the virus, then it doesn't touch your hands, doesn't go anywhere on the face. And when you come back home from outside, don't touch anything the house. Straight away get to your washroom, shower room, bathroom, remove everything and take a full shower from top to bottom, so that if there is any there any virus or something there, it will just go away with that kind of a soap floor liquid soap showering or something. So that's one. But beside that, you can also take Virofite, which is a very powerful immune formula. Just recently, Virofite have been actually published by an international medical journal that it is good for boosting the immune system. The proof have been accepted that yes, Virofite is boosting the immune system. So that's something you can do it as a prevention. Plus, have a ginger, turmeric, and tulsi tea every day 2-3 times, so you can prevent it. So that's for like how you can feel a little more safer. Then if it is financial anxiety, first thing is definitely to cut down your expenses drastically so that you can manage in whatever you have. Secondly, think of creative ways to, you will find it. You write it down, you will find ways to earn in this time also, at least sustain. And you can definitely take some of the formulas like we discussed today. If you take them, especially Suriday and Sumeda, these two are something that opens up your mind for new ideas. So just take it. It's not so in your brain to think clearly and not feel stressed out or anxious. That's what I would recommend. Besides, of course, you can do all the home remedies which we suggested, which helps anyways.
Thank you so much, Dr. Smita. So the herb that Dr. Smita mentioned, Virophyte, in India, it is available as D-Viro. And if you were following us in our live session, previously we had also mentioned about the immunity booster kit that we have for our customers and viewers and clients. So you can visit our website for it. So Dr. Deepa, the next question is for you. What would be your advice for people who have lost their jobs, you know, during these times, and they seem to have lost the will to live?
Okay. So, as Madam explained that today everybody are going through the financial stability is not there, of course, and everybody is trying to gain that financial status back. But again, this is very much important that to cut off the all the lifestyle, the extra expenses that is there, to cut off it, and whichever is necessary to uh, whichever is required actually, that can help people, like not to get into a lot of stress and confusion state to what to do about the financial status to be done. Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Deepa. Our last question for today, Dr. Smita, is will this help someone who is suffering from psychotic depression? The home remedies and marmas and everything that you guys shared with us today. So somebody is asking, will this help who is suffering from psychotic depression?
For that kind of a psychotic depression, it is important that you really meet Ayush Shakti doctor. If you do the marmas and you do the home remedies, or even you take the herbs which we have recommended, you might find some change actually. But when you meet Ayush Shakti doctor, you will have a customized program which is only done as per your need, and they will actually hold your hand to take you out of this situation in a very step-by-step manner, so that you can cut down your medication as per your doctor's advice, and they will make you saksham, like capable, so strong, so that naturally you are coming out of it. So you need somebody expert to hold your hand and help you out, so that you are completely out of this situation. But yes, we can definitely help you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dr. Smita. So friends, this was quite an amazing and, you know, very chatty session wherein you all asked us so many questions that you all are suffering today, and our expert doctors gave their opinions. So we are very grateful that, you know, you write to us, you share your problems, you also give us suggestions on what our live session should be on. So we request you to keep being in contact with us, keep connected with us, keep giving us your suggestions on what our live sessions should be about. We are more than happy to conduct it for you. So thank you so much, Dr. Smita and Dr. Deepa, for joining us today.
Namaskar, namaskar.
Thank you.
So friends, if you want to, you can also, you know, book a phone or video consultation with us. You can also visit our centers and take the consultation. Our doctors are available. So you can reach us on phone numbers for India is 1800 266 3001. If you are not from India, you want to reach us globally, you can contact us on +1800 2800 You can also WhatsApp us on +91 7777 00156. You can also email us on info@ayushakti.com. All the herbs that were mentioned on today's live session, you can get those herbs on our website, that is www.ayushakti.com. Lastly, thank you for joining us. we would like to say that, stay safe, stay happy, and you can always you can always connect to us on our Instagram, Facebook, our website, on YouTube. We are always there to chat with you, to help you whenever you feel lonely. Also, if you're going through any stress, any anxiety, or other than this, if you have any other illness, you can come and visit Ayush Shakti, and you will definitely get vibrant health results. So thank you so much. Namaskar, and see you very soon.